Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and link Wise to Google Pay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead step into our video. So for the matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply gonna go ahead have to access your particular Wise app on your mobile phone. Go ahead, tap on it. So once you have done, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? So if you simply would like to link your particular Google Pay app with your Wise, what you gotta do is simply gotta go ahead, tap on this card option. And here in this card option, you're gonna find your card's information. If you do not have yet done so, you're gonna tap on this order a card. Once you have done, you will be able to see your card's information on top, and below you will be able to find this option of link to Google Pay. Once you have tapped on it, it's gonna show you a prompt for you to link your Google Pay by simply adding the information, confirming it, giving the security verification, and then you will be able to link your particular Google Pay with your Wise. And so whenever you access your Wise and go to this card section, you will have an option of Google Pay. So that is the simple process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.